Coin doing a little
United
something.
announcing $5 million investment in carbon capture company
Oscar had a nice little
OSCR.
pop.
that's Uniform Alpha Lima.
Is that it?
Yeah.
UEC.
Launching this EBS, see what it does here. Not doing a lot of right now.
Coin went up and
OSCR.
went down.
Coin's one of those I have up, but I'm really not super excited about it.
UEC. OSCR.
NASDAQ up
ARCT pos failed gap.
0.17% after the open. Dow Jones Industrial Average up 0.76%. S&P 500 up 0.94%.
ARCT.
Chaffin's just going down.
AMD making a little move.
Coin's just
Yeah, I've got an area that I'm interested in coin, but not there.
ARCT could get interesting. It needs a lot more and some more volume.
I looked at that one in pre-market too, but there's no volume then either. RCT, you say?
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah,
I
volume on that
I
is
need it
still
over.
super light.
I need it over 20. I
ARCT.
want really like around 2075.
Oh, EBS just fell off a mountain there.
Yeah, I see that.
I was almost so long bias on it. So
Carrot earnings.
meh.
ARCT.
Blue
DPRO.
drop is going to halt.
Who?
That's Blue, BLUE.
Hmm.
That one's weird.
Baba.
That one, and it has like a ton of volume for it. Normally has hardly any.
VEE. ARCT. Indeed, dang, tanks. DPRO.
And Baba's too whippy for me.
VEE.
Arc is actually
ARCT.
going to get there. I think.
DPRO.
A little spready for me though. It's a little weak.
VEE. FRC. VEE. FRC 36K.
I'm guessing no volume.
I only got 36,000 shares on FRC.
Yeah, I don't have any.
Yeah, I looked at that earlier. We got no shares on that for sure, man.
Are you got into
There's-
VKTX, Tim?
Yeah, it was more of a daily play.
Watching MU.
I thought I had mentioned it earlier.
Oh yeah, that looks interesting.
Mu up.
You rip it.
GNS halted. News pending. Gulf November Sandy. GNS halted pending news. MU Micron. Micron Technology spiking after the open, hitting 62.65.
Watching that
heavy
for a
volume.
bigger
That's
pop there through the
Uniform.
$0.50. Did you get it, Thomas?
Following their
I think
earnings
that
report.
is-
ARCT taking most of the get out of jail free opportunity. Zone. SLGC. Zone. SLG,
Oscar Papa.
ATAI,
Look at EBS. EBS is just dying.
Yeah, I'm not. I took it off totally.
It's down to 950.
ATAI,
Not even up anymore, man.
Chaffin's doing the same thing. I don't do anything with that. Oscar's not playing nice. Blue's doing nothing.
E Bluebird shares resuming after a circuit breaker halt. Sharply following their earnings down 22%. That's probably
JMI enable,
Echo.
I got an MU at the right time.
BBAI, ATAI,
Shares of Boeing off the highs now up about 1% at
DPRO,
$2.90. Reiner,
Might get a little
CEO
more interesting.
earlier said he
A little bit.
company was in talks with Boeing for 100 years.
62.20, 30s. I mean 63.
77
guys.
KPSA,
It's Bravo
in it.
Alpha.
Long.
Long.
CIFR,
I'd like 63 something, like 63.80.
DPRO,
So what'd you get in around 62.50?
Yeah, no, 62.80.
Ticker BANL, Bravo Alpha November Lima. Notable volume alert in BANL.
DPRO, ATAI, CIFR, OSCR, DPRO, ATAI,
That's what they're saying. Right?
Thing over 1260.
Roku off the bottom, Jag.
Is it? Let's see. Pull that guy.
There's a Medtronic getting a small pop here.
DPRO, ARCT out all,
79.06.
Ticker GameStop, Golf Michael Echo. Notable upside move in GameStop.
Con,
Baba's falling pretty good.
The volume's pretty weak on Roku. For Roku, it's only 750,000.
Yeah, I thought the same.
Put that one on the side watching.
WISA, Con,
Sticker hates me, man. Didn't print. I saw the ask up there, but it didn't print.
Con,
Going to this time.
I'm like, why isn't Oscar coming up on my screen? And I'm typing it in wrong. Over and over.
MTC,
CURV.
You still in MU?
Corporate Holdings. getting pop here
WISA,
on relatively light volume. That's
Is that
volume.
no?
No, I think you got it.
Victor.
You got
No,
it,
no.
MU?
No, no. I'm not in it.
MTC,
Yeah, she's going straight up, huh?
Looks that way.
I'm kind of watching Baba.
On's moving, but there's no volume.
Seems the story today.
Yeah.
My volume's light today. I don't know what's going on. All right, what you doing? What you doing, Baba?
off the bottom pretty good.
Mm. I'm not fully comfortable with Baba yet, man. I'm still
Well, I
working
don't
on that
blame
one.
you.
Well, I mean, it's just a stock I haven't really watched a lot, you know? I just traded it yesterday because of the big move.
AMD is coming off the bottom. It looks very similar to Baba.
Yeah, I just looked at that.
No, they do look similar. Ish.
BBAI getting
Yeah.
a spike here to the highs on heavy volume. Bravo, Bravo. Alpha,
DNMR.
Riot.
shares up
SQ.
1%.
Riot's moving
On
too.
BBAI.
I don't really care for
OSCR,
it.
Damn.
Oscar Health
Missed it.
getting some
Yeah.
volume coming in now. Oscar, Sandy, Charlie.
DNMR.
Probably calling out your Oscar.
Yeah.
Jag.
It's
Shares
not
of
enough
Emergent Files
range for me
Solutions pulled back following their earlier
with what it's playing.
FDA
Coin's
approval
making a.
for their Narcan nasal
Is it
spray.
going back up again?
You can just move. MU, like straight up.
I know. I'm glad I got out when I did on my short.
Yeah, I wish I would have just held the long, but and here it is at the level that I was looking for, but whatever.
Yeah.
Here it is.
It's got to give a little bit of a
Ticker snap
pullback to go farther, right?
SNAP. Note from Gordon Haskett, CEO
Would
of
think.
Intuitive, may give up
That's
CEO
always a scary reason to get into short.
That's why I'm not going to, because the
It's
short could
gotta just pull back here, right?
That sounds like Steve.
and the short could be 15 cents.
Yeah.
SQ.
Up through 64, I'm pretty interested.
SQ's dying. We both missed that one,
Yeah.
Thomas.
Oh yeah. And my phone's ringing.
Not loving the stocks today.
What's Futu doing? Going up. ARCT is just dying too.
Starter on MU.
Good luck.
MU.
AMBI
ATAI.
halted on a circuit breaker. Alpha Michael Bravo India. Shares halted at $9.88.
All right, what I missed.
ATAI.
Really. Tim's an MU. Because it broke over 64.
I just jumped in a little bit on that one.
All out, or not all out. Took 75% there on it.
We've taken nothing.
What's your average, Devin?
89.
Yeah.
Dollar.
Took a little bit off there just in case.
Roku back up to high today.
I'd like to
FRC
see it
NTB here.
push towards 63.
Watch an ENVX.
KC up is earnings.
EBS out with a press release now, mentioned the early report that the FDA
Right over
approved their
1280.
Narcan over-the-counter nasal spray. That's
ENVX watching.
Sandy EBS.
Get it. Buy broke 400.
An ad, I took a little more off there just in case, but let's see if we can flush here. Let's take a little more off, dude.
SNAP Snap off the lows now $10.87 after Gordon Haskett says the CEO Evan Spiegel may give up his CEO position. That's Sandy November Alpha pop up.
All right, what else is going on? I got my stop in now on this one. Average is 91.
It's fucking VKTX, man. Ticker.
Dude, that does not look like you.
I was just playing with it. Smaller size, just looking at the daily there, trying to act like I'm a professional or some shit.
Yeah.
Took a little more off on the mutant. Down to leftovers, basically.
Yeah, you need to break 39.
Is that your 23-6?
Yeah.
Sure, wheat. Thanks for the knowledge. I'll put my stop in like 70 now, then I'm not going to write it back up. So if it bounces there, I'm out. I mean, it's also kind of where the 20 is, well, 30 on the 1 minute. Not a bad little win, dude.
Dude, you don't know how much FOMO I was fighting on that one, yeah?
Me too.
That was right into that previous area. Waited for the weakness to come in. I feel like I traded it pretty safe.
Yeah, but for me, it was FOMO.
Yeah.
It was up right under 64, and it attempted it, and I was like, dude, you could do it. You could do it. It's the backside. That's your reason to get in. You're not chasing.
Mm-hmm.
60K there.
That's what I did, dude. I got right under 64. I mean, both times, both ads were right there.
But I'm so used to front loading,
Ticker CCJ.
not jumping in on the backside that often.
Alert in CCJ to be an upside movement.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get a flush here, man. I mean, I don't know. It is earnings, so there is always that in the back of my head, you know. I feel like this was just an area that it was bound to at least pull back. The chance of it breaking it on that first run were slim. I'm literally just moving my stop down with it, so if it bounces, I'm pretty much out.
Oh, it's gonna retest it.
And well, you said the 39, right? 39 cents.
Yeah.
I'm above that.
All right. Yeah, it's gonna come up. It should come up and retest it, and then if it fails, it's see ya.
And my thought process is, if it gets above it, I don't want to be in it. But
All out mute.
Ticker
That's
GNS
fine,
golf
remember.
November Sandy.
SSR.
58K.
November
8K.
Super
Yeah.
moving the upside with volume.
are we hearing young Charlie and old Charlie again?
GNS.
GNS shares
Like a
resumed
starter.
trading. Golf November Sandy.
Keeping an eye on shares.
$38 after the company.
I just noticed
53K.
this is volume out of nowhere.
Without the opportunity master fund.
GNS.
It had two good
I
candles.
think it's been halted.
Wakas Khatri. That's Golf November Sandy.
I just don't think it had.
GNS.
It was on that thing.
Yeah, he said something. I wasn't really paying attention to Charlie. Tim might heard him.
We were talking.
Oh, they settled litigation with another
GNS.
company 18 minutes ago.
That's why it was halted.
HLP IBKR is
GNS.
Hotel Lima Papa.
Yep.
Not trading
Shares
that.
are priced at
Not
$4.
trading that. I just looked at that HLP. I was like, nope. That's not something I'm trading.
GNS.
Baba. All right, girl.
VKTX went all the way up to high a day.
What's that?
VKTX.
Yeah, I still got that one.
I'm not keen on it yet. I want more like 1650, but
I don't know. I don't feel that I have anything good on that one right now. You know,
no.
I don't have a.
EBS.
I don't have good fib lines. I haven't been able to find my way on that one.
EBS is up off the
HLP
bottom
opened at
about 50 cents.
40 cents.
Is it?
40 cents
Yeah.
is the opening price.
Go EBS. Oh,
Node.
my foot's asleep. All right, let's see if we can find more trades.
The IVC.
I guess I should have taken FSLY. I just didn't like where it was.
By 70%. Complete second.
What's that?
FSLY.
That's
Node.
Fastly. Another one I haven't heard in a long time, man.
No.
There's
All right.
on that low price stock, TIBC.
BMEA.
Someone EBS. Oh, that looks like shit, though, dude.
Yes, it does.
I'm really not a fan
Dollar.
of that.
Yeah, it doesn't
What
look
is Tim and GDS or something?
Yeah, I'm in it.
Couldn't come get me. 1 penny. Fucking 237. It went to 238.
Somebody repeat the ticker.
GNS.
GNS.
BMEA.
When I say somebody, I don't mean everybody.
GNS.
Is it GNS? GNS?
I think so. That's working out good for you, Tim. How many shares did you end up in at the top?
1,200.
Node.
I wish I would have had 1,600 like I should have, but I thought it was going to maybe try to halt. I wanted to try to give it a shot if it did.
Node. BMEA. Dollar.
Basically all out, just down to leftovers.
Maybe it'll give it all back. Go back to 2.
Yeah, I'm going to hold these and see if it wants to do something silly. I'm going to use previous candle.
We're seeing off of 255 at this point.
255, but yeah.
Previous candle.
I got a trade.
Dude, you didn't trade yesterday, did you?
Yeah, I did.
BMEA.
No, you did. You got one. You got one when everybody was gone.
Yeah.
Oh, and then you got one with me. You got a few trades yesterday.
Yeah, but I'm saying this morning I missed everything.
Oh,
Time to go to bed.
I'm like, man, you've been trading.
GNS that is. BMEA.
House Committee on Financial Services meeting now. Fed Vice Chair Barr being questioned again today.
BMEA.
Mm.
BMEA.
GM General Motors, big call activity. The June $41 calls on Golf Michael, GM.
Hopefully everybody got some of that GNS. That was nice.
I didn't. I couldn't.
I didn't. SSR and $2. And
Yeah,
then Baba.
I couldn't get my
BME.
ad.
I wonder how much I would have made there at the top.
I'm back in the Bob.
STEM.
I gave you a pullback.
Pull back and continuation.
Volume
Yeah.
in
BMEA 43K. BMEA.
Shares off the lows now, $5.
Damn, bro. Missed me by a penny, or I would have made almost 70, or yeah, an extra 33%. Damn.
$75 million.
Or I could have just been patient, but I wasn't about to let that thing bounce all the way back up against me.
Yeah, but you got a good win.
AC King
out of that.
Soft Cloud near the
Yeah,
highs now hitting
yeah,
around
it could have been like 45-ish dollars more. It would have just filled me. Fucking pennies, man.
Roku's back up.
That's Kilo Charlie.
BMEA.
Like a little more. I think I'm not going to.
GNS.B/E. About to run out of shares.
CHWY Chewy, the March 31st, $37 calls in Charlie Hotel Whiskey Yankee.
I guess I should have gotten Roku.
HLP halted on a circuit breaker. IPO. Charlie Mapapa. Shares at the lows, $3.65. TIVC, Tivic Health shares at the highs now, heavy volume following that press release.
Do you have a rule for leftovers, Tim? How many you try to leave?
No. Just how I feel while I'm in the trade.
Are you still in it too, Thomas?
Yeah.
And this one definitely feels like it could go lower, but
To halt down.
I don't know about all that, but
See, it's your thought process. You're thinking all wrong.
I just see that 210 from yesterday's high. I feel like
Con.
it'll probably try to bounce there. It's already trying to bounce here, it feels like.
I like Thomas's mental, positive mental standpoints. I think Bob is going to halt up.
Well, I mean, you know, when you get into a trade so
Con.
many times and your take profit gets missed by a penny so many times, you start to become negative Nancy, I guess.
Look at MU.
Yeah, it never gave me a setup to get in. Piece of shit.
Well, it's going back up.
Yeah, I know. For bounce off
Con.
of one of the fib lines.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe it goes back up to high a day.
LNT GNS. Con plenty.
Alright, stopped out of the remainder on my Baba. That went pretty well. I'm gonna
Con.
wait for that one now. Alright, what are we watching? MU?
No, I mean, I've got it up, but that's not a main thing yet. Needs more for me. I mean, for you, maybe
Con.
it could be a short here, I don't know,
PIRS.
or maybe even a long.
It's not
But
a
I
short
don't know
for
what-
me
I don't know
until
what
it's
to do
way
with that.
down.
I don't know what to do. With
Yeah,
that.
I don't love that one, bro. I'm not a
Yeah.
fan.
Right now, I'm not. I'm watching. I want it back up to highs.
I don't really have levels drawn on that, to be
PIRS.
honest, but let's see. Let's put a level. Let's get something to look at here. Good level up there.
PIRS.
Let's see. Yeah, I don't really love that, dude. Kind of in the middle of
PIRS.
nowhere. It's like, here I am.
Rock you like a... Sorry.
Here I am.
No. Sorry.
Tim
PIRS.
did it. Once you start this train, you can't stop it.
I said I'm sorry.
PIRS.
Dude, I'm like scalp central in this Baba right now, which I do not want to be scalping Baba.
It's working.
No, I know, but this is not the type of stock that I want
PIRS.
to be trying to scalp.
Coming up in less than 15 minutes at 10:30, crude inventories a build of
VKTX,
19,000
man, she's
expected.
looking like she want a rippy rip.
Gasoline inventories a draw of 1.617 million and distillates a draw of
PIRS.
1.55 million.
Yeah, I'm a fan of that one a little bit, not gonna lie.
PIRS.
Hey, Thomas, I did it again.
Did what?
DNMR 38K.
Didn't use previous
Pass for me.
candles.
I was about to just ask you. I said, didn't you have an order out there somewhere?
Yeah, 15. I keep, I don't know. I have no faith in myself, I guess. But it's like that's the whole point of previous candle is like you don't need to have faith. You just use the previous candle. Makes it easier.
Question:
Just
is
trailing
one
this thing
candle
down.
enough for support or resistance?
No, but
No.
the odds are when it breaks a previous
BRKN got
candle,
their low price stuff
it's going to at
out
least
here
attempt to
down.
go higher again. It's just usually how it works. It's what a lot of people are looking for.
Just saying.
Well, I'm saying that on the way down here, it hasn't even broke a previous candle. That's what I'm saying is I messed up. Like it looks like it's trying to do it on this one. 25. But didn't even get to that yet. In this case, though, like I'd be looking at the chart and you have, what is this, that support there at 27. So I'd want to keep my stop above that.
ATAI in.
Is where
Forgot
I,
order was out.
Yeah, mine's at 31.
A little pop here, Papa Yankee X-ray Sandy.
I just hit my trail at break even when I took that last take profit. Mine's chilling at 240 at the moment.
Also win another Investors Business Daily pick. Investors Business Daily swing trade or buy.
Dang AJ on that MU trade. But that was fun. GNS, nice. Didn't even see FSLY. Looks like I might have been a little slower.
It was.
Nice little move though. I didn't even look at BM yet.
I can't pop the live stream out, huh?
Yeah, you can.
$1.
Yeah, you can.
You got
But
to.
it's got to
like a
stay
little-
within Discord.
No, I
No?
pulled it out. You got to make it the screen bigger, and then there's a little way to pop. There's a little like a thing to pop a square with an arrow to pop it out.
All right,
Move
yeah.
the video.
Just hover over it. Yeah, it's the one with the
Got it.
square
Feels
with the
heavy.
arrow
Stop
pointing.
B/E/.
Got it.
Yeah, I think
BBIO.
if all you got to do is if you hover over
Timothy.
it, and there's a square.
Got it.
I agree about that. Thomas.
TYXS.
Said he got it like 42 times.
Oh,
No,
BBIO.
I hear the word Timothy, I go silent.
Oh, I know.
quick.
PYXS.
I know.
Go Goog. BBIO.
I start looking behind me and everything.
You start looking for the wooden spoon.
She upgraded the rubber, man. I
BBIO.
broke too many of the wooden ones.
You back in, Baba?
Yes.
Ah, you dirty dog.
you're long on it, right?
Yeah.
Watching BBIO.
There. Come on, go.
Ticker BBIO, Bravo, Bravo, India, Oscar, circulations. BBIO pulled out
I
of
think I might have
overnight
missed
conference next
BBIO.
week via corporate access.
Spready.
Guggenheim,
Very.
CFO then said something has come up that wasn't planned. Watch shares of BBIO.
Get the go one more time.
And this thing made me freaking try this like 1,000 times before finally giving me a decent move.
BBIO.
But this
Took a
one
starter
also
BBIO.
gave me the ad.
In. Get it what? BBIO.
Pretty
CON
con.
Hines popping to the high. $6.05.
BBIO.
November following their earnings report. CONN.
Con earnings.
Okay, stop sign on this.
Plenty.
This either makes me a lot of money or doesn't.
Con.
What are we looking at?
I tried to hit the ad button. I had my order too high.
me too.
Fuck.
Me too.
That would have been so good. Damn it, now I just want to get out break even. I can't believe I did that, bro. I had it at 1840. Are you kidding? I just realized it was a penny. Oh my god. Oh, that's brutal. Oh, that's so brutal. Took it there for the small loss. Oh man, what a brutal little thing that was. A penny, man. These pennies, I hate them so much.
Ooh.
BBIO.
What you watching, Tomas?
In BBIO.
BBIO, watching continuation.
Oh, you're in BBIO.
Commentary out on.
I haven't looked at that one.
speculation.
I just
BBIO.
heard you guys talking about it. Oh, it's still going up.
BBIO.
Alright, that's interesting. This is giving you a position. That's, I'm sure. Interesting area right there at that 1869. Topped out there before.
BBIO.
Shares of DraftKings off the highs.
BBIO.
Up
That son of a
5.5%
bitch just stopped me
after
out.
that mention at positive mention at.
Could have took it when I was
Daily.
near break even. I said it out loud too.
Treasury Secretary Yellen, speaking at House Appropriations Committee sub-hearing,
BBIO.
said multilateral development banks need to prioritize funds for renewable energy projects. That's Treasury Secretary Yellen. PBTS, Power Bridge Technology, out with a tweet now, says tomorrow's news release from PBTS of everyone talking about get ready for an exciting new chapter in our company's growth. That's Papa Bravo Tango Sandy. PBTS.
Tim, you in this BBIO?
Oh.
Buying power issues.
Oh, shit.
Fuck.
Good call, man.
Shares of Power
Appreciate
Bridge
the call.
Technologies at low price stock, 9 cents, up 2.7%. PBTS.
I assume you're way up there, so if I went light shares and cut it soon, I'd be okay.
SPB Spectrum Brand spiking to the high 61.55, up 4.25%. Sandy Papa Bravo, SPB.
SPB moving.
That first move, man, I can't believe I missed that by a penny. It screwed everything up.
I know.
What's your average with you?
I'm at 08.
I'm at 03.
How are you, Thomas?
57.
I'm right here. Well, nope, not anymore. At 46.
half for a small loss.
Got some.
FDIC out with tweets this morning says this morning Chairman Grunberg is addressing a
Go
recent
down
news
now,
just recent
mofo.
bank failures at House
Just took
Financial
some more.
Committee
Yeah, I took a little bit there too.
hearing.
I'm all